Hello guys, we are live from Pattaya in Thailand. My name is Odd Bjørndal. I come from Norway. I stay in Thailand for a couple of years. Today I will show you what you can do for the money work for you. So you have high rest for your money. In the bank you are maybe 0.5, maybe 1% for the year. In the share fund you have about 6 to maximum 10% per year. And here you have about 20% per month. All of us guys, 20% per month, yes, correct. I have the work with the trading here from Thailand in the next nearly 11 years. So I know everything about trading. And here we have the people who are trading for us. The company is named Qubit Life. Today, I will show you first, I will buy an holiday contract. You shall see an amazing thing. So I share the screen. So there we are. You can see the screen, guys. I think so. So in Qubit Life, you can do a lot of things. It's a company be more and more strong day for day. So let us show here. Can I show you here in du har registrert for free? Also behind the video, also under the video. There find you a link, sign up for free. You have all this option. So there is a lot of information. You have here FAQ, you can read everything. We have the webinar, we have the video, we have the picture, we have about the owner. This I can take after. I know I go to my account, guys, look what I skal do. Every day they come in about $1,000. Today I go buy more contract, as education contract, give me about 20% per month. You see here, if you have 10,000, give you 2,001 per month, give you back 25, so 250%. And first I will go buy a corporate license. You see in my wallet, I have 1180. So $1,180. So this I will do. I buy my corporate license. You can buy for home. They give you 70% discount. Apartment, land. You can buy a car. They give you 60% discount. This is amazing, guys. The travel, they give you 50% discount. So let me buy one. Today, I will buy this triple. Not alone. I buy for $1,000. They will give me back $2,000. Only in 3 months. Only in 3 months, guys. I pay $1,000. They give me back $2,000. So I will buy this. So I click next. Country. Country as I go. I think that'll be Norway. I come from Norway, I can visit Norway. So I will buy the air ticket open, for I don't know for the corona. Select the country. Okay, from Thailand. So you see, the first time I do this. I go to Norway. So I think to be not this year for the corona, but I buy the ticket. Now they give me the money. So here I will buy 1,000. You see here, 24 over or 1 week before they start the debit. It's okay. So let me pay. Pay from the wallet. Yes, success, guys. Success. So a little more than 1 week, I will see my holiday education and corporate license. So we go back here. I pay this. Go to my account. So internet is slowly, guys. Click 1 time more. So there it come. There we go. Now we'll go out $1,000 from here. I have paid one holiday education and a holiday contract to stay here. $1,000. They give me back $2,000. So we start to go. So here they will pay me out $100 US, guys. We look here. If we go på here på document, so we find out everything about the contract in your language. Click here, corporal. Click here. So on, guys, go down here. A little. I had a lot of info there. Yeah, let's see. So I have by now one holiday contract, 3 months. I see. They give me 50% discount. I have paid $1,000. They will give me back $2,000. So 3 months later, so they stay 1 week for activation. So you can say, okay, 3 months or 2 weeks. They're excellent, guys. So I say you can buy a home, apartment, land. This is for 5 months. So you can say 5.5 months. If you pay $10,000, they give you back $33,300 US. They only you have one gold contract, education contract. I skal show you what an education contract are. So can you buy? If you have 100,000 education contract, you can buy 100,000 in home. They will give back $333,000. Be a nice apartment, guys. Car, they give you 60% discount. If you deposit $5,000, and if you have only 5 in education contract, you can deposit 5 here, or they will give you back $12,500 after 4 months, guys. If you have $10,000, they give you back 25 after 4.5 months. I see 1 week extra, this is okay. So 4.5 months. I had 3.5 months for this. I buy it just now. Come with credit, you can buy the different things from the shop. So a lot of things, guys. So I go back to my back office here. So here can you look match signal. I have by QDT, also the KuCoin, 80,000. For this be amazing. I shall come back to this soon. So I go now to my panel, my back office. There we are. I speak about education contract. Maybe some people not have seen I explained this before. So I shall do this easy for you. $1,000, they give you back 250%, so 25. $100, they give you back 250%, so $250. And if you have this, you can nearly take out money every day. For the trader, you won't have this, the trading 7 days, 24 hours. Well, here you can see, it's for yesterday, day before. So this Sunday, they can be very high. And for 2 days ago, this Bitcoin was very crazy. All the currency, very, very crazy. Some trader, I follow the market, so I know this day. It's amazing that they have 0.35. It's very, very good. So someday I not next trading in the market here. Not easy, but they have the tools. So these guys, they can do. They have the professional trader all the world. You see, I take out good money too. Now I start to buy more education contract. So I buy my first in 30 October. That time I not know so much. I go meet the people behind the company in Bangkok. We have the CEO there. So after that time, I start to buy. Silver, $1,000, give you back 2005. Also, they have give already 120%. Or I have 129 again. This I just upgrade for a couple of days from 500 to 1,000. You can upgrade here. Have given me 60 as a total from a start, or have 189. For when you upgrade the system, have control. So this not worry about this. So by this, just start to run 100, 100, 100. So now I have 15,400 contract. So I will not have more than 15. I can have 50, 60, but I will start to upgrade my contract. It's so easy to click here. After you do the same as I do, you click pay, they go out from your wallet. For deposit, to click here, or you follow the process. You take out to click here. And when you add the wallet, it takes about 3 days for you to have make the your wallet address here till they complete. So after you make, you will via email, you confirm. After 3 days, it will be complete for the security of not unknown people. If you change, they will come email. So guys, we have a lot of things. We have cashback. Have $1,000 here. They give you $200 every month for a pay you bin. First month, they give you only 5%. Only this good. Second month, they give you 10%. Or third month, 15%. Or 4 month, 20%. So the goal is for 20% forever. So if you have 1,000, they give you $200 every month. This give you 2. If you have business, you can have this. So they give you $20,000 every month. You must prove this to send in the bin. Cashback I have here. So they give me 501 in July. So it's step by step for 501. So every month, it's a long time I have been or can take pictures, bring in here, tape in here. So I really pay my bill. If I can prove that I have more than $501 every month. But I have by contract for only $2,500 give me back 501 from July, August, September, October, November, December. I can upgrade this too. So if I click here from 500, let's say I will have to 2006. So really pay me every month $521. So there's a lot of things here, guys. It's so amazing company. They're strong. We are past about 400,000 members. This year we passed 1 million members. So I say when the contract finished, they pay you back 250%. So they not stop for the trading. They will trading for your money. Or they do many trade per day, 10.5 million $. Many trade here, not so many for the market were not good. Market was very good. They take many trades. So this is the easy way. Lot of information. Find everything here. I will share the video, or under the video, behind the video, you will find a link. Very good information. Or you can go to my playlist. You can go to my website. So a lot of information there. Go back to the presentation. Behind the company, hold fast, guys. Greg Lemon, 3 successful IPO. I'm a CEO of Qubit Life. Over 90 countries, 150 conference. Personally raised more than $300 million in blockchain project. Top 20 ICO, CEO funder of the Canadian Investment Bank. These people know what them do. Office, more than 55 office. We have in Thailand, we have a lot of countries. We will have more than 100 office around the world this year. The team, very strong. Mark Switch from America, stay in Thailand. More than 25 years international investment banking. Him is CEO of the company. Him have webinar next every Friday. Very amazing man. Stay in Thailand. Here from 2004. Here is very important. He raised more than 50 million euro in the AAA robot trading, also the software. Well, this is amazing. That this we can use if we want. The trader have the best of the best. So it's easy for them to have about 20% per month. You see here, 1.9 billion in satellite oil and gas pipe. The biggest, some of the biggest oil company in Thailand too have used him. The genie, this man. For him finger is white. He may not make him finger black. He may say, oh, this company, for him see the market will be big. This man can have what work him want. When him are in Qubit Life, he see a big future here. From 2009 in the Hegner Fund Family Office for $500 million. So these people must success. They're not people with the dream to success. They have success from before. We will have bank in 2023. We're growing very fast. So when I say we will pass 1 million member, maybe we are 1.5. We are past so lot. More than 10,000 are more in rank 3. I am rank 5. We have 8,000. I start to work in January. So we are past very much people. Every people like money. I like money too. So now my money here and not in my bank. 100 millionaires or more than thousands, so have more than $100,000. I passed there for a couple months ago. Gold office around the world. We are 75,000 members every month now, not 46. We go so very fast, very, very fast. So we have, sorry about the telephone. We have here under the Lamba, Qubit Life have very, very much. We have very much here, guys. We have a Qubit chain, blockchain. So I tell you, I buy the coins. It'll be amazing. Look here, everything they have. Basecamp, 1 million transaction for every second. This is very amazing. So a lot of this I speak about here. I have made the video. I have under this video very good presentation. So I only show you what you can find. So the video not be so long. And today I only show you this that I can buy the holiday. So here I come to buy in Qubit Life. They are in the platinum. This is so important. When I see the telephone, this telephone I must take is important. We skal have the meeting. So guys, see you soon. Come to the team. Sign up the link under the video. You find all information. Bye bye guys. Bye bye.